this is the only treat he likes. Other than that, he doesn't eat anything. Typically on walk, he won't eat anything.
Okay.
Even if you give a treat, might possible that this might work. I've never tried it.
No. Sit. Kaiku re. Chup to bhi Kaiku. This is Shero, 5 months old.
All right.
Golden mix. There is a possibility कि वो he might also try to make that as a excuse. जो puking या coughing है ना, अगर उसको समझ में आ गया वो करे तो आपको बुरा लग रहा है तो वो ज़्यादा करेगा, नौटंकी करेगा. तो नो सिट, वो ज़्यादा नौटंकी करेगा. he'll understand. अभी मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं.
Loose है. The rope is loose.
So when you're taking him a walk, you might be feeling अरे बेचारे को लग रहा है. वो he'll read your energy.
Let's go. Come. One improvement.
जी.
There were people.
And he didn't work.
He didn't bark. He didn't growl. This is one percent of improvement that I've seen from the last 2 sessions.
Nice. Improvement slowly आते रहेगा. We just have to calculate it 0
No.
to 100.
Good.
0 to 100 पे अपन कोसे स्केल पे आए हैं.
Sit.
Okay, whenever you're putting him sit, continue it with a stay. And when you are moving around, he shouldn't move.
Makes sense. So during when I started training him initially, by mistake or unknowingly, I might have trained him on stay for one thing. When I told him to stay, I just not made him stay, but I also made him go down.
That's okay.
That's right. Because if I want him to stay and relax there for a long time.
As a matter of fact, staying in a down position is much more potent than staying in a sit position.
Right.
अगर आप down position में stay करवाते हो तो dog will be stay for a longer period.
This is what I trained him.
That's a good thing.
So
That's a very good thing.
What the thing is, now he would, when I stay, he would stay, plus he would go down automatically. I wanted him to just relax and lie down there.
That's a very good thing. There's nothing. Actually आपने उसको ज़्यादा potent stay करवा दिया, and it's really nice.
So
People will come at this.
yeah, it's a collective.
Stay. Sit.
Stay.
No, it's okay. He'll go. This is what we talk about timing. अपन ने command दे दिया ना. Don't expect him to obey immediately. At least initially. थोड़ा उसको टाइम दो, वो भी जिद करेगा यार तुम्हारी कहीं को सुनना. Then we should stand our ground and wait for him to do it. And that's when we reward. So what is standing our ground? If I say this, stay, until he obeys, I will be in this position. That might be 10 seconds, 30 seconds. And 30 seconds is a very long time. बोलने के लिए छोटा लगता है, लेकिन आप 30 सेकेंड्स ये पोजीशन में ठहरो, आपको लगेगा कि यार कितनी देर ठहरा है. वेट वेट वेट, डोंट चेंज, वेट,
Good boy.
स्टे,
Stay.
गो. आप जाओ पहले, फिर उसको.
Stay. Come.
परफेक्ट.
Good boy.
तो इसको स्टे के अलावा डाउन कमांड किसी और तरीके से है क्या?
He was trying to go. What happened?
He is getting distracted and he is excited to go out.
I think we can put the down command in now.
Yes, stay. Stay. Because he is not getting what he expected. He expected लिफ्ट से बाहर आते कि हम वॉक पे
Yeah, that's his typical behavior to
Yes.
run off,
Yes.
and that's what I'm trying not. I don't want him to do that anymore.
Yes. So that's the reason he is getting irritated. Because every day यार इतने महीनों से मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, अभी क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
Right.
Why is he expecting something out of me?
No. No.
loosen it, and when again he barks, tighten it.
No.
Again loosen it. Again.
No. No.
Come. Down.
Stay.
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 Stay. Stay.
Sheru, stay. Also, this is the first time I am trying to give him stairs command when I am in the outdoors. Typically in the indoors he listens to stay, but at the outdoors he has never done that.
Yes. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good step.
Good boy.
Stay.
Stay.
Yes. Yes. Yes, good boy.
Very good.
Yes, good boy.
And this time it was all from positive reinforcement. Typically we put this trigger, but now he is
The
staying on
trigger we are going to use only for negative behavior.
negative behavior.
This is not a negative
Negative
behavior. This is learning behavior.
Yeah.
We are trying to teach him something new.
Right.
But he barking and growling at people is a negative behavior.
Completely, yeah.
So
So, that
further,
is, we are going to put a little negative enforcement and then
Give positive.
positive
reinforcement.
if he stops doing that.
Yes. Negative positive reinforcement only for negative behavior.
Okay.
When we are teaching something new, when we are teaching some new command or position or behavior, it is always going to be positive.
No.
Sheru, stay. Good boy. Good boy. Sheru, good boy. We'll strengthen the stay a little.
Yeah.
ठीक है, लीज छोड़ दीजिए आप वहाँ तक जाके वापस आइए. No, sit. Stay. Yes, good boy. Stay.
Stay.
Good stay. Good stay. Sheru, stay. Good boy. No. Stay. Nah. Stay. Yes.
Sheru, stay.
Yes. Good boy. Good stay. Sheru, stay. Stay. No. Please. No. Sheru. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. Yes. 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 Good boy. Yes. Good boy. No. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. So what just happened is positive distraction. So what we are telling him is concentrate on what we are doing. You don't have to worry about anything which is happening around us. अगर आप और मैं बात कर रहे हैं,
Right.
दूसरे जने के पास क्या चल रहा है अपने को देखने की जरूरत नहीं.
And
No.
the first time he got distracted easily rather than. And another thing that I found was if I stay too close to him, he feels safe and doesn't get distracted right at that moment. Whereas if I was away from him, his whole concentration was right now, ये कहाँ जा रहा है, ये
Yes.
क्या करना चाह रहा है, and this time he did not bark on the 3 people who came through the lift.
Yes, he noticed them, but he chose not to bark, and that is what we are rewarding. So we are always going to reward when he is going to make a good decision. Everybody is going to make good and bad decision. Our target is guiding your dog towards success. So we are going to always create the situations and scenarios in a fashion कि it's only pointing towards success. We are never going to touch the dog. देखते हैं क्या करता है, कभी नहीं देखना है अपने को. We are never going to see what he is going to do. We are just going to tell him what to do.
He wants to stay. So now is he picking up this habit on his own now to stay wherever you, because now you did not even command
Yes.
him, you tried to move, just you were just standing there.
Yes.
So is he now trying to pick up that habit
Yes.
on his own?
Yes, because it's a chain.
Change.
Stop, sit, and stay. No. So that kid has been running around behind you from that time. He's been noticing, but he's not been barking. And kids have always been a challenge. See,
I know.
again that guy is running, but nothing is happening. So that is something we are going to reward. No. No. Yes, good boy. Chalo, come. Sure.
We go on the walk
Come,
now.
come, come. Yes. One more time we'll do it.
Yeah, let's try it one
No.
more time.
Sit. And I'm not applying pressure. Sit. Good. Stay. Stay. Yes, good boy.
Good boy, Sheru.
So in this case scenario, we are gonna give him permission to do whatever.
Hmm.
Apart from pulling us, which he is doing right now, we'll cover that eventually.
Hmm.
He is not supposed to pull us,
Hmm.
or he is not supposed to get agitated or intrigued by anybody by barking and
The
growling.
birds.
Yes. फर्स्ट फेज में अपन पहले पूरे ट्रिगर्स खत्म करते हैं,
Yeah.
उसके बाद विल
The
गेट हिम
pulling.
अंडर कंट्रोल
Yeah,
ऑफ पुलिंग
the pulling and all, I am not too much I'm okay if he does that, because I know after some time he will not do that automatically, because he feels कि हाँ tension है बहुत,
यस
that can automatically be triggered after some time. But जो ये बाकी triggers हैं भौंकने वाला, that was main for me.
दैट तो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन,
Yeah.
लेकिन देयर इज वन मोर साइड बैड साइड
Hmm.
ऑफ अ डॉग कंटिन्यूअसली पुलिंग यू.
Okay,
He is putting excess power, using excess of his muscle.
right,
He is putting excess requirement of his muscle.
right.
उसको जरूरत ही नहीं है अपनी मसल पे इतना प्रेशर डालने का.
Hmm.
ओवर यूटिलाइजेशन है वो, एंड कंटिन्यूस ओवर यूटिलाइजेशन इज फास्ट बर्निंग ऑफ द रिसोर्सेस. लेट इट बी एनीथिंग. आपका मसल रहने दो, डॉग का मसल रहने दो, आप ज़्यादा यूज़ करोगे उसका भी एक एक्सपायरी डेट है.
Right.
दैट एक्सपायरी डेट कैन बी 12 years, 15 years,
Yeah.
बट थोड़ा कम होते जाए.
Let's
No,
no.
no, no. Walk. Good. Good. No. Good.
Snip.
Good. 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 No. चलो. Good. Good. चलो. 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 Sit. Sit. Good. Okay. Good boy. चलो come. No. Yes. Good boy. No.
No.
Stay. Good. He's not really interested now.
Yeah. So once he is super onto something, he will not eat, he will not drink, he will not listen. I have tried treats a lot of times in these situations. He will spit out the treat.
Stay. Come. Stay. Yes. Good. No. Come here. Shiro. So basically this is a very big improvement right now. Right?
Yeah.
कि एक डॉग सामने है और ये बैठा है, उसके दिमाग में अभी भी डॉग चल रहा है, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, लेकिन ही इज स्टिल काम. नाउ वी आर गोना मूव फ्रॉम दिस दैट ही डजंट इवन केयर इफ इज अ डॉग
Yeah.
अराउंड.
From session 2 in comparison to today,
Is
he
much more
has,
peaceful.
because in the session 2 he was not even under control.
Yes.
He was not sitting, he just wanted to pounce. So here he has been able to sit in front of other dog. I think that is
That
a
is
huge
a
improvement.
huge
I think
improvement.
we are almost 50% there.
Yes. And that too in one session.
Yeah.
Come here. Shiro. Shiro. Yes, good boy. Chalo, come. Slow. No.
He's
No.
sleeping.
No. No. Good boy. Good boy. Good.
Huge enough for me at the moment. It's a big
Yeah.
win.
We have a long way to go though.
Yeah.
तो what he's doing is he's smelling the dog. अगर ब्लू यहाँ से गया है उसको पूरा वो स्मेल कर लेते जाना है, राइट? ही इज जस्ट टू इंट्रिग एंड एंशियस व्हाई दिस क्रीचर एग्जिस्ट वेयर आई एम देयर. तो इसको अभी तक वो कोएग्जिस्टेंस का आइडियोलॉजी नहीं आया है कॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन. अगर अपन ये सोशलाइजेशन अर्ली एज में कर लेते,
That's where we missed, right?
दैट्स वेयर वी मिस्ड.
I typically in the early 5 months, he's 6 months or 7 months now. In the early 5 months, I was too overprotective, where basically what doctors typically tell us, oh, before vaccinations, do not get him near. That is actually not a good, I would say, a suggestion, because I feel the immunity should have built automatically, like all other dogs
Yes.
do. And that's where I become a little overprotective and didn't let him mingle with not just dogs but other people as well. That's where all these problems are coming from as a root cause.
जो डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं ना वैक्सीनेशन से पहले ना को लेके जाओ,
हाँ,
medically it's a right suggestion because they are only thinking about the physical medical requirement of a dog,
yeah,
right? उसके बदले अपन क्या करना चाहिए, we should start calling a lot of people who have dogs,
who have dogs.
not with their dogs but just the people,
Just the
because no matter how much they clean their clothes, these people are always gonna smell dog out of them,
Dog.
because they are all about nose, ears, eyes. We are all about eyes, ears, nose.
Right. So if you remember, there was another dog on the last session called Dodo, right?
Yes.
Without Dodo, his owner has come to our house during those months, and he has played with him, stayed with him for a couple of hours. Now, whenever he sees Dodo, he doesn't bark on him, he doesn't pounce on him. He's friendly with the only dog there is in this whole society.
Probably because he still remembers that smell. So dogs are not creatures who remember incidents for a longer period of time unless and until you keep reinforcing them. So अगर समझिए अगर इसके साथ कुछ बुरा होता है या कुछ अच्छा होता है 10 मिनट बाद ये भूल जाएगा. अगर आपको वो मेमोरी परमानेंट करनी है तो यू विल हैव टू कीप रिमाइंडिंग अबाउट दैट मेमोरी, राइट? तो अगर ही हैज़ कम मल्टीपल टाइम्स, दैट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्गर मेमोरी दैन वन टाइम मीटिंग. चलो
उसको, हाँ, उसको जब प्यार करें तो नीचे ऐसे हाथ करके एक बार करना, ट्राई करो. हम भी देखना चाह रहे हैं.
है क्या सर?
हाथ नीचे, हाँ. ट्रेनिंग
ठीक
में
है.
वो
आप जो भी करोगे ना
हाथ नीचे करके
Slow करो.
और धीरे धीरे.
आराम से करो, ठीक है? और उसको लगना नहीं चाहिए कि आप उसकी जगह में घुस जा रहे हो.
हाँ,
वो अल्लू 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 आपको आने देगा, उसको आने देता है, लेकिन कुछ भी जल्दी हिलता है तो उसको डर लग जाता है.
वही उसका आप लोग बोले कि ट्रेनिंग कराए तो हमने कहा ठीक करा देते. अब एक बार आप कोशिश करो हाथ नीचे करके, मगर
आराम से उसको स्मेल करने दो. अभी जाइए. परफेक्ट.
मतलब थोड़ा डर रहा है वो, सर
हाँ.
ऐसे पकड़ने से थोड़ा.
उसको आदत नहीं है ना नए लोगों की, नए जनों की. बस सिट.
जैसे ही हाथ पीछे जाता है उसको फिर लगता है, हाँ, डर लग जाता है.
जो उसको दिखता नहीं है वो चीज़ से वो डरता है, जो उसको दिखता है उससे वो टेंशन नहीं लेता है.
थोड़ा दिन मतलब देखने के बाद टेस्ट करते हैं.
मैं इसलिए बार बार हर सेशन में इधर लेके आ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को पता है आप लोग देख चुके हो, आप लोग डरते नहीं हो, आपको पता है अपना ही बच्चा था, तो इसलिए नीचे से एक बार अगर हल्का प्यार करोगे तो उसको भी शायद याद आए.
हाँ,
सम मोर रिवॉर्ड खत्म हो गया.
रिवॉर्ड खत्म हो गया.
अभी घुस जाओ.
आ जाओ चलो
Yes, good boy.
बट ओनली आज अच्छा एक चीज़ हुआ है. He
No,
is
no.
he
Sit.
is sit. He is not reacting. He is not responding. He is not totally also इतना positive नहीं है, but at least negative behavior इधर नहीं
नेगेटिव
दिखा
एक
रहा
हो गया क्योंकि कल जब अपन ये सेम चीज ट्राई किए थे, पहले वो गुर्राया था, भोका था.
एंड हर किसी चीज़ पे.
हर किसी
आज
चीज़
एटलीस्ट
पे.
ही इज गेटिंग यूज्ड टू कि ये सब मुझे किसी चीज़ से डरना नहीं है. मैं आराम से बैठ सकता हूँ. चलेंगे.
चलो
थैंक यू भैया.
चलो. No, no, no. Good boy.
गुड बॉय.
Good
गुड
boy.
बॉय. Unknowingly or knowingly, I might have got him into behavior that was good for me, right? So, on Diwali night, like other dogs, typically they bark or they get under beds or anything. When he was, I think, 8 months old, on a Diwali night, I took him to the terrace. Rather than putting him under a blanket or anything, I took him up to the terrace. I put him on the terrace like this, made him see the colors and the noise. And I myself was also enjoying that. He tried to growl, bark and get scared, but after sometimes looking at me that I am enjoying it, he enjoyed it. So I think it is more about the how I perceive things rather than, and that's the only way he will also perceive things.
Exactly, because you are the only source of inspiration, education and motivation for your dog.
Right.
आप जो करता है वही देख के आपका डॉग आपसे सीखता है, क्योंकि उसके पास और कोई सोर्स नहीं है.
Source नहीं है.
आपके और मेरे वैसा उसके पास बुक्स, यूट्यूब, टीचर्स कोई नहीं है. जो आप दिखाते हो वही वो देखता है. So this दिवाली का टॉपिक इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड टॉपिक, यू नो. मेरे हिसाब से कुत्ता डॉग की पटाखों की आवाज़ से डरना नहीं चाहिए.
Right.
I agree that the sound is too loud for them, but you cannot neglect the fact that human society is always surrounded with the sounds.
Sounds.
आज पटाखे हैं, कल कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा,
Correct.
कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहेगा, घर में बर्तन गिरते रहेंगे, and that frequency is even more irritating for dogs. Get them used to it. ठीक है. I'll tell what just happened. आप बहुत कॉन्शियस हो गए.
हाँ.
You should be conscious, but not so much कि आपका dog also is coming off into a state of consciousness.
Yes.
What you did is right, but how you did it was very open.
Very open. He
वो भी
also got to know.
वो भी क्या हुआ, इन्हें ऐसा कॉन्शियस कहीं को हो गया बोल के वो भी कॉन्शियसनेस में आ गया. सो रादर बी काम.
Rather I should have been calm and
Yes.
just
यहाँ
had
पे ही
this.
पकड़ लेना चाहिए था आपको,
यहाँ पे.
क्योंकि कंट्रोल तो है.
है, right.
वो डरेगी नहीं डरेगी सेकेंडरी,
Hmm.
लेकिन आप यू कुड हैव कंट्रोल्ड हिम. सो बी लेस कॉन्शियस,
Right.
सॉरी मोर कॉन्शियस, लेस प्रोजेक्टिंग.
Projected.
यस. तो दिवाली
उसको forecast नहीं देना है.
Yes. अरे रुको, he came into an alert mode. I'll also go into an alert mode. वो alert mode में चला जाएगा. So the exercise we are doing right now, sitting here with so much things going on, is something we should do with every dog.
Every dog.
उसको मेन रोड्स पे ले लेके जाके, पार्क्स में ले लेके जाके, कैफेज में लेके जाके बस बैठो.
That one. I have one day, if on our last few sessions, right, maybe 8, 9, 10th में, there is a experiment that I'm ready to risk. Something is, let's take him to this Gachibowli wala dog park.
Okay. We can
I know
do
it
that.
will be a little risky. We
No,
don't
it's
know
not
what.
at all risky. It's risky only from medical perspective.
But yeah, so maybe we don't know what worst can happen or what best can happen. So I am ready to take that risk
Let's
and
do
go along, because अगर वो 7th 8th session में आके I don't want him to mingle. If he is only able to sit calmly in front of other people and dogs, that is a good enough success for me.
Fair.
And since this is on record, we can make sure this is before state and after state.
So, the easiest way for every situation to become normal is put your dog in that situation.
Yeah.
Put your dog in that situation. Don't expect आपका dog अच्छा बनेगा नहीं.
What did he do?
Nothing.
Is
He
it-
saw. That's it.
That's it.
है उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ा कोई जा रहा है. Even though that lady was a little scared.
Scared.
राइट बिकॉज काम पीसफुल माइंड सेट ऑफ माइंड में है. उसको समझ में आ रहा है भाई मैं नहीं भोंके तो भी लोगों को रिएक्शन वही है. मैं काम रहा है तो माई ओनर इज मच मोर पीसफुल.
Yes, sir.
या सो व्हाट वाज आई टेलिंग मैं कंप्लीटली
Sorry, I'm sorry.
नो इट्स गोना हैपन एनीवेज. We'll get one more opportunity for discussing the same thing.
No.
He didn't go for anything. He wanted to meet that guy cause वो कल उसको
कल
पेट
उसको
किया था.
pet किया. Sit. Stay. Sheru. Success. Without even looking at him, no eye contact, nothing. We are able to make him stay. And that too in the most relaxed position. I think this is our third session today, and it's been a great success for me overall. Thank you.
All the way happy dog. वहाँ पे देख that kid playing with that dog peacefully. That is how kids supposed to be. आजकल कभी कभार माँ बाप ही डरा देते हैं को जाना को जाना.
So we have got a lot of pet parents in the society who make sure that they, or even if they are not pet parents, maybe they don't want kids to, they don't want dogs in their house. So what they do is they get their kids here to play with Roxy.
Oh, that's nice.
So Roxy is like their society dog, even though he is basically Indian dog, but we have made sure he has been given neutering and everything, and by his size and everything you can clearly see he has got good coat.
Good.
Yeah, what do you want?
Stop him from leading us.
Yeah, he is not leading us now.
Yeah. Now right
Automatically.
Now, yeah.
He's not been leading us anymore.
Now. Yes. So correction is very important. 10 में से 2 वक्त भी हो रहा है अपने को करेक्ट
तो
करना
करना
है.
ही है.
10 में से 1 वक्त भी हो रहा है अपने को करना है.
Now, within 1 hour of time, we are able to make sure that he doesn't lead us.
No.
We are leading him, which
And
is again.
बस. Slow.
So there is a lot of conscious effort and patience that needs to be put into the training.
Rightly said. Patience is everything. Patience and consistency. अगर आप impatient हो जाते हो कि मेरा डॉग नहीं सुन रहा है, वो नहीं सुनने वाला है एक तो. सेकेंडली कंसिस्टेंसी. एक बार करने से कुछ नहीं होगा.
Right.
आपको तब तक करना है जब तक कि उसकी परमानेंट मेमोरी ना बन जाए. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन व्हाट वी डू इज वी इनिशियली व्हेन वी हैव ट्रबल वी स्टार्ट ट्रबल शूटिंग इट. आज करेंगे, कल करेंगे, 10 दिन करेंगे, उसके बाद वी काइंड ऑफ लेट लूज.
Let loose, right.
राइट. दैट शुडंट हैपन इन अ डॉग ट्रेनिंग. डॉग्स आर क्रीचर ऑफ हैबिट. उन लोगों का एक क्लॉक होता है, वो क्लॉकवाइज वर्किंग आपको करनी है. अगर रेगुलरली आप करोगे ना, उसके बाद आपको ये लीश का भी ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगा. इफ़ ही इज सपोज टू जस्ट वॉक बिसाइड यू and you make him do that for a long time, right, he'll automatically walk beside you because he likes that. You like that as a parent and he knows that you're liking it. He is 24 hours spending time only with you.
Right.
So he's just reading you, understanding you. Congratulations.
I didn't.
You
I
didn't
was
do
a-
anything.
I
Yes.
didn't even think he will do something. I let him loose, and I let him scan other people maybe if he wanted to.
That is needed. If he
Right.
doesn't explore other people, he will never get used to them.
Right.
So what just happened is exactly what we have been hoping and planning for.
I was like कि ठीक है देखा जाएगा what will happen if worst we will just pull him back,
Yes.
right? Come. He's listening to the recall is also something I am really happy about. The come recall doesn't come to him naturally and it used to not come naturally.
देखो, जो घर के अंदर आपकी सुनता था ना, घर के बाहर नहीं सुनता था.
Right, exactly.
राइट. अभी वो घर के बाहर आपकी क्यों सुन रहा है पता है? क्योंकि जैसा वो घर के अंदर काम है, घर के बाहर भी आपने उसको काम स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में ला लिया.
Right,
हमेशा पहले घर के बाहर ही वुड बी इन एजिटेटेड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड और एंशियस स्टेट ऑफ माइंड.
right.
क्या है, क्यों है, इस पे भोगूंगा, उस पे भोगूंगा, इंट्रूडर.
Right.
अभी वो उसको कुछ भी नहीं है. ही इज जस्ट पीसफुल एंड काम नाउ.
Like I was patiently analyzing time. And I didn't give my mobile for this one reason. कि मोबाइल अगर हाथ में रहता है तो फिर वो ऑफिस के मैसेज इधर के मैसेज
खली.